So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with button block inside of Notion. So over here, what I can actually also do is go around onto certain section right here and then press slash right here and then type in button just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, you can actually go ahead and add in a button right here. So now you can see that this is the button block right here, and when the button is clicked, let's say for example I want it to do a particular action. For example, let's say for example I want it to insert blocks right here. Let's say for example when the button is clicked, let's say for example I want it to insert a web bookmark. So let me just go ahead and type in www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and correct out the spelling as well, and this is what you have. So you can see that I got this button right here, and as I click on it, you can see that a block is inserted right here. Click on it again, another block is inserted right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you can do. So when the button is clicked, you can actually go ahead and insert blocks right here. Similarly, you can add an action right here, like define variables and so forth right here, and do many things, like you can send notification to something and so forth right here. So this is what you have, and you can also go ahead and say something like create a new Wikipedia block right here, just like this, and then this is what you have. So when the button is clicked, so if I were to press done, click on this, and then you can see that the Wikipedia block is created. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the button block inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.